Okay everyone, I'm here, 110 Emerald View Drive. It is more beautiful than I thought it would be. We're in Cedar Point at Bridge View Community. It's a new waterfront community with boat storage. Wait till you see this house. Almost 3,000 heated square feet. It's just beautiful. Office space or formal dining. Look at this. It's your dream kitchen. Look at all the counter space. And you've got your half bath when you walk in. I can't do a whole clip because it won't fit, but this is just the living area. Windows all through the back, built-ins. It is just phenomenal. Again, I'm going to be here from 10 to 2. This is your master, first floor master, by the way. Then all the other bedrooms are upstairs, which we'll take a tour of the upstairs in a little while. Look at the shower. Okay, there's your quick little view. Come and see me.